Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph, looks like on the back of a truck, and asked how to do it with these larger outer letters. It's really pretty straightforward and simple. They did state that they're not going to use that name, but I'm going to use that name. And it looks like, doesn't really matter, but it looks like Times New Romans. We're going to change it to Times New Romans. And then I'm not going to care about the size or anything. But what you can do is before you text it to path, grab your shape tool and select that number or that node, and let's go 350 points. See, it left the spacing pretty good. Let's grab that one, make it 350 points. So it's still a text. You know, it hasn't changed. It's still Times New Romans. Now let's make that arch. We'll actually use this picture as an example. And it's not really straight, but we'll use it. So grab well, you know what, since it's not straight, let's just make an arch. Let's make the line and then just, well, let's use our 3-point curve line. Make life a little easier. We'll make a line and then just kind of go right in the middle and make that arch. Now, if you look, the D and the M are equal. So what I need to do now is take a indexing line and put it on top of there, or close, and grab our shape tool again and grab this. And right up here, you have some numbers that'll vertically change the character. And all you have to do is just bring it down to that line. Then grab the D, and that node right there is for that D. And if we look, I wonder if we could just copy what we did. Well, having trouble selecting that. We're at -28. So now if we select this, we can go the same, or you could do it by hand, but just type in -28. And my number lock must not have been locked. No, it's locked. -28. Huh. Well, maybe that doesn't work, but you can just do it here and just go move it downhill and just watch your numbers up there and get to -28. And we're good. Now it's still a font. And because when I did the first one, it was a little bit different spacing right in there. And I can kind of see it now. So grab your shape tool and move it over. Okay, it is still a font. It's still a text. Go to text, text to path, and go down here and put it on that path or close. And there you have it. Now select it all and go up Control K or break text apart and then get rid of your path. That's pretty cool. Now my D, it looks like it's still a little bit off. So I maybe should have moved it more. Now there's a way you could probably fix it now. Let's go Control K, get the shape tool and select that one. And you know what, I wonder if we just can't move it. There we go. It might not be on the same path, so you might not want to do this, but that looks pretty good. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.